I woke up not long ago and I am feeling very, very tired. But anyways, I just discovered something and I wanted to share with you guys. I feel like I and my mom have the same taste. Or I'm just realizing that I and my mom have the same taste. Kind of, not in everything. Remember how I told you guys that a brand sent me glasses and then they sent me the same set of glasses because they were not sure the first delivery would get to me. So I told you guys in the last vlog that I'm gonna call my mom. She wanted to get new lenses and you see how God works. See, I didn't call her. It's been a couple of days later and then she calls me this morning. She's asking for one of my friends' number who works in a, what do they call them? An optic center. Anyways, a clinic where they do glasses. English is not coming to me right now. I told you guys I just woke up. So she called me and she's like, I should send my friend's number because she wants to make inquiries. And I'm like, oh my goodness, you know, I was going to call you because I wanted to give you some glasses, like some frames. I have some frames that I want you to choose from in case you want to get your glasses done. And yeah, so I was just packing them and I just remembered I didn't show you guys. So these two glasses, guess the one she chose. She chose the other one. By the way, this is mine. I even used it last night. This is the one she chose. So I just packed it now and I'm like, why did I not even show you guys? It's in here. I just want to package it like, you know, how the brand would have delivered it to her if it was coming from them. So this is the cleaning wipes and oh yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So this is the cloth for cleaning and yeah, that's it. So it's well packed. I actually took pictures. I just laid everything down here and then I told her choose one and she went to choose the brown one. And that's like my favorite out of all the lenses. So I was like, yeah, let me tell you guys because I and my mom are gonna be twinning. So I have to go deliver this to her very soon. I'll call her to find out how our call went with my friend. But yeah, that's that, guys. I'm so tired. I had a very, very long day yesterday. Very, very long day. And I feel like that's what is making me tired because I have been in the house on most days. And yesterday I went out and then I overworked myself. So that's a repercussion. And I didn't even eat well yesterday. This morning I need to edit some content and then I'm still going to go out. But before then, I need to have breakfast because I'm hungry and I also want to change my shades. Oh gosh, I hope this angle is not weird. But guys, I need to iron the shades and I'm really not in the mood. I'm going to have to iron this thing. I'm not even ready to do any work right now. Then put this one in the laundry.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in after back in coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole piece from shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails ho. Tag glow, no competition. My shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now.
I am running out because I just got a call and I need to go pick up the package. But first, I want to show you guys this new package that I got from New Q brand. This is a MagSafe charger, and I see the way I love this thing. You guys have no freaking clue. So this is how it comes, and it comes with a charger. It's Type-C charger, and then it comes with this manual. Now, my favorite part about this is it is very, 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 very portable. When I tell you portable, and it is wireless and also wired, because it has this output option where you can plug in your charger to charge to your phone. You charge it here. Then there's a button here. I hope all of this is showing up. Yeah, so this shows you the level of battery that you have. And guys, you charge your phone here, you attach your phone to this, and it has this part where you can charge your iWatch. You can also charge your iPod here. This thing is amazing. Instead of carrying cords and chargers and everything, no, you just go out like this, and it is very, very light. I like that it is very, very light. I love it. So basically just put it down like this. You can even watch your movies with this, then charge your watch, charge your iPod. It's very, very convenient. So I just wanted to show you guys because I am going out right now and my phone is not very well charged. But yeah, let's rush out. I don't even think I'm going to be vlogging because it's just a quick run out and back in. Thank you to NQ for sending me this MagSafe charger. It is very, very convenient and I am enjoying using it. If you guys want to get it, I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Everything you need is in the description. It's quite affordable actually, so it's in the description box. You guys use my link to get discount of the actual price. It is very, very convenient and I am enjoying using it.
Come to the top of the car. We don't abide by the law. You don't know what I just saw. Can't live without it. I keep it still for the wall.
Or living paycheck developing programs to
A lot of model bitches check for me. Nigga don't check for me unless you got checks for me. I can feel like a hobo, no checking me. Way back when D-Lo had this body just so many hoes had to get up. I say to me, she love her body home and brought her neck to me. I did a walk through, they sent a jet to me. Y'all niggas show price less than my turn with me. One of my arms worth a ticket. Watch so much that a car came with it. Back in the day.
Hey loves, good morning. I need to get over my weak face. I'm still not over it yet, but guys, this thing is work. Anyways, I just know that if I don't talk to you guys now, it's gonna take a bit. So I just finished getting my hair done and I am running late. I have to be out of this house in a couple of minutes. I still have not done my makeup. I'm meeting up with my girlfriend, my baby girl, Sefa. There's this new place we saw and we just want to go create content. And yeah, so I am going to let this dry down, let this lay and melt. I really don't know what's gonna give because I don't know. I don't feel like I'm having a good hair day. But anyways, I'm gonna make it work because this is the only thing I have to wear right now. So let me do my makeup and yeah, carry on with this vlog.
What's up, baby? What you doing?
Just waiting on you. Where are you?
Got caught up a little bit, so I won't be a little late.
Okay.
I'm on the way though.
Hurry. I love you.
I love you too, baby.
Close my eyes and trust your plan. No one force my hand. You pay the cost for true romance. My love again. I thought I'd seen it all before. Now I've seen so much more. And finally, some doors will close. Is to open windows. Look at the trust closing in. Is to someone I can depend on. Yes, seen from above. I am
Guys, we're here and about to have gelato. Oh, see where I kept mine. It's fine. Gelato. You know, I don't really know that song, but I know. We're not making fun of our but I know we're singing, but it sounds like I'm making fun of her.